What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. Today we are driving, let me see, what are we driving today? I don't know. Oh, AC is all the way up. So it looks like today, where's it? 2006 Honda Civic LX. It's got 137,000 original miles on it. As you can see, one owner vehicle, 23 service records, last owned in California. And what? 71? We got it for $71.99. That's the Carfax on it. I mean, you want to know how reliable a vehicle is? Blah, blah, blah. You look at the Carfax. Really important. Also, you got to look at the condition of it. We got a little bit of wear and tear on the steering wheel. A little bit of wear and tear here. You know, it's kind of faded out a little bit. Good radio, good sound system. AC's working good. Oh, ice cold, thank you. It's about 100 something degrees out here today, and I've been working my butt off. So it's good to get some AC. Our e-brake feels good. Our gear shifter, cup holders, center console, EX interior. So it's got quite a cool design. Back seats in good shape, all the seat belts working. Glove box with some extra stuff in it. And I really like these Honda Civics. This steering wheel, 3-spoke steering wheel, beautiful. Digital cluster, tells you your MP, your gas over here, temperature over here. I mean, just everything on this car is so cool, so nice. Let's go for a drive. Got some buttons over here, my cruise control button. We'll test that out when we get to the freeway. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let's take this bad boy out. Hope everyone's doing great today. Doing fantastic today. Big flaw with these 2006 and up Civics is the visors on them. You can see the interior is gray and these visors are like a tan color. Yeah, so they always go out, so someone must have replaced them some way along the way. Just doing my best to get the sun out of my face. When it comes to the Civic this year, this body style, I really like the two-door. I really like the aerodynamic design they got going for it. It's not too much, it's not too little. The two-door just looks, it looks like a Civic, you know? It looks like it reminds me of a Civic. It's still true to itself. Doesn't need all these crazy lines and waves and, you know, I don't even know. This year to me is still a Civic. Oh. All right, let's go to the freeway. I'm going 75 and wow, there's nothing on the wheel. It's just perfect. There's no shakiness in the wheel. Just a little bit of wind noise. I think that's common in this year's Civic, but it's a used car, it's a used vehicle. Let's see if I can hit 80 safely. Cutting it close right here. Just gonna brake, hard brake, and brake's perfect. So I was driving 80 miles an hour and flawless. There's no going to the sides, there's no shaking on the wheel. I also slammed on my brakes pretty hard and right on the money. I stopped perfectly, no weird noises, no weird smells. I mean, just an impressive running Civic with 137,000 miles. I mean, people think at 100,000 miles these cars are done, these cars are toast. you know, time to trade it in out of warranty. No. This year's Civic, I mean, this year's Civic is impressive. Let's take this exit. If you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to like it, comment. I know what you guys think of the Civic. Gotta tell ya, driving this car is so fun. I feel like I'm in a little speedster. I feel like I'm in an older Civic, you know? So much fun. The seats, I mean, these seats are just amazing. They hug you so much in the back. You have so much support. And yes, they have lumbar support too, which is awesome. All right, let's let it rip. Did you guys hear the VTEC? All right. Woo! I think I heard the VTEC kick in. Woo! Do a quick cop check. Make sure I don't get pulled over. Man, all the lanes are open and I'm in the middle lane. I'll go over here to this lane. Oh, I better slow it down. This Civic's so badass. I mean, these things are so reliable. I've seen them with 200,000 miles. I think that I have one on my lot with like 220,000 miles, and I know it's in great shape. The paint's a little faded. You know, the paints on these are always a little faded. Whether you have the 4-door or the 2-door, I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if they're just using the kind of like cheaper paint or something or what. When I turn on the AC, it sounds like the compressor is making a little bit of noise. So it's just a little bit of noise there. And I mean, is it normal? Yes and no. I mean, it's a used car. Some wear and tear. Doesn't mean it's broken, doesn't mean it's not working. It's working fine, it's working great. Blowing ice cold. But just things you're gonna expect when you're buying a vehicle this old with these much miles. You have some noises that I'm hearing from the outside, like wind, like, you know, and that's pretty common. Also, the paint being faded on these cars is pretty common. I don't know why, it just is. I know this one for sure has been repainted, but it doesn't mean it's not a good car. It's an excellent car. And it's got some bruises, some scratches, some bumps. I mean, we saw the Carfax. The Carfax says one owner. It says no accidents, but it has 130,000 miles. It's been on the road. You know, it doesn't matter if it's in the parking lot or just a little scratch or ding or a little bump here in the... You know, I've had people hit me from behind and it just leaves a little tiny mark, and, you know, doesn't mean I have to report it. It just means, well, something that happened on the road. Things happen on the road. Shout out to Honda for making an excellent car. Welcome to Turlock. Woo! A little Turlock sign, and then our stuff going on over there. Did I get to use the cruise control? I didn't. Let me see if I can use it right now. Okay, cruise control's on because I didn't get to use it. Oh, there it is. Oh! Ambulance coming by. Like 3 or 4 cars didn't even pull over. So we are back at the dealer. Just double check, just to be safe here. It's like someone's kind of blocking my way. But anyway, that's our video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the comments.